There's Loch Glascarnock down there. There's today's Munro in the background. I think the sun's on the top. We put the name of it on the screen because it's impossible to pronounce. And there's some good views to the left. Again, I'm hopeless at pronouncing, but there's a group of 3 or 4 Munros in there, which I'm going to do as a circuit. But the weather seems to be okay today. There's a few showers, and this Munro is known for the river crossing, which I'm just about to come up to in about 10-15 minutes. And hopefully, it's been light showers, so it shouldn't be too bad, but we'll soon see. Okay, I'm now at the famous river for this Munro that can be a bit difficult to cross. And it looks so easy, there's so many stones, but they're just that far apart that you can't make it. So we have to walk up a little bit, try and find the best bit to cross. And if I can't find any, it's just going to have to be barefoot. It turns out I think barefoot is the best way. Summit cairn here, and this is a sign to turn left up to the Munro I'm doing today. And I think there's another couple of little cairns on the way just to keep you on the right path. And there's where we came from. Down from the loch down there, the river crossing of the car. Not sure if you'll be able to see it in the video, but it's right back in the distance. Summit, my 7th Munro, and it's a little bit windy.
Oh.